In this video, I'll show you how to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. If you want to make your LinkedIn account more secure, using Microsoft Authenticator is one of the best ways to do it. LinkedIn supports Authenticator app verification and specifically mentions apps such as Microsoft Authenticator. LinkedIn also says Authenticator app verification is the preferred two-factor authentication method compared with SMS. Before you begin, make sure Microsoft Authenticator is already installed on your phone. After that, sign in to your LinkedIn account and open Settings and Privacy. Then go to Sign In and Security and select Two-Factor Authentication. This is the section LinkedIn uses for turning two-step verification on, off, or changing the method you want to use. Once you're there, choose to set up two-factor authentication with an Authenticator app. LinkedIn says that when you use the Authenticator app option, you'll be guided through a setup process where you connect your account to the app on your phone. This is the part where LinkedIn prepares the security link between your account and Microsoft Authenticator. Now open Microsoft Authenticator on your phone, tap the plus icon or Add Account. LinkedIn's help instructions say to select Other as the account type and use LinkedIn as the account name. Then enter the secret key provided by LinkedIn into the app. LinkedIn's current setup guidance describes a manual key entry process, so the important thing is to enter the key exactly as shown. After you enter the secret key, Microsoft Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code. Go back to LinkedIn and type in that code to verify your device. Once LinkedIn accepts it, the setup is complete and your account is ready to use Microsoft Authenticator for future sign-ins from new or unrecognized devices. Here's something very important to remember. LinkedIn says the Authenticator connection is unique to that mobile device and that specific app install. So if you uninstall Microsoft Authenticator, reset your phone, or move to a new phone, you'll need to set it up again. That means it's a good idea to keep your account recovery options updated just in case you lose access to the app later. If the code doesn't work, LinkedIn says the most common reason is that the Authenticator app was not set up correctly. For example, some people get an 8-digit code instead of a 6-digit code, and LinkedIn says that usually means the app setup needs to be repeated. In that case, go back through the setup steps carefully and re-enter the secret key exactly as LinkedIn provides it. And if you ever lose access to the phone that has Microsoft Authenticator on it, LinkedIn says you may need to turn off two-factor authentication from an active session or go through account recovery and identity verification if you're fully locked out. That's why it's smart to handle this setup carefully and make sure everything is working before you rely on it completely. So again, to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator, install Microsoft Authenticator, open Settings and Privacy on LinkedIn, go to Two-Factor Authentication, choose Authenticator app, add a new Other account in Microsoft Authenticator, enter the LinkedIn secret key, then type the 6-digit code back into LinkedIn to finish the setup. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.